Hi, this is Ksor, and this is the Coleman camp knife. I purchased this product at Walmart for around $20. My TOU for this product is a survival tactical type knife. The specifications on this knife: the weight is 5 ounces including the sheath, the length overall 9 1/4 inches, the blade is 4 3/4 inches. The materials on this knife is 440 stainless Chinese steel, full tang blade with wood grips and a nylon sheath. I particularly like the nylon sheath actually on this knife. My positive aspects to this knife: the knife seems to be very well constructed. It doesn't seem to want to bend or flex like some knives that I've seen at this price point do, or chip. The knife weight is very good for carrying. It feels very light. I don't have any problems with it weighing down my hip. I like the way the knife feels in the hand. As you can see, it's got jimping on the back side here, and the handle feels really good in the hand. It's very comfortable. I like the blade design. I like the Bowie style knife. It batons well for being a small knife. Now, I wouldn't recommend batoning a huge log with it, but smaller logs it could be batoned on. The blade sharpens very well. I've sharpened it twice since I've bought it, and it seems to do pretty good. The negative aspects to this product is, to me, very small. The blade thickness is my main gripe. I think that the blade could be just a little bit thicker, and that could lead to durability issues in the future. Alright, with that being said, let's get to the review card for the Coleman camp knife. Number 1, performance. I gave it a 9 out of 10. Point deducted, and mainly all the points deducted in this review card is for the blade thickness. Number 2, value. I gave it a 10 out of 10. Number 3, durability. I gave it an 8 out of 10, once again for blade thickness. Number 4, for versatility. This blade's very versatile. I gave it a 9 out of 10. I believe it can fill a survival and tactical role. Number 5, compatibility. Again, 9 out of 10 because it can be compatible with my survival system and my tactical systems. Number 6, simplicity. It's a fixed blade knife. It doesn't get much more simpler than that. No moving parts. Gave it a 10 out of 10 for that. At number 7, maintenance. It just needs the occasional sharpening. I gave it a 9 out of 10 on that one. Number 8, for my theory. I gave it a 9 out of 10 because it does fit my theory of usage. Number 9, speciality. I gave it a 8 out of 10, just mainly marking off yet again for the thickness of the blade, maybe affecting the speciality of the usage for it. And number 10, lockability. I gave it a 9 out of 10, which leads us to the overall quality score of 90 out of 100. Letter grade is an A. On my reviewer notes, I wrote, blade is very sharp and easily sharpened. Smaller blade is better for maneuvering, but harder to baton large pieces of wood. The blade seems to hold up well to batoning, but the thickness could be an issue, only a small one though. So I'm talking about the thickness. Okay, with the review card out of the way, let's get to the recommendations. My recommendation to the producer of this blade, Coleman: thicken the blade just a little bit. That seems to be one of the biggest gripes that I have with this particular blade, is just the thickness and the durability. That kind of makes me question the durability of the knife, but it seems to be holding up very well so far. Just a little bit. My recommendations to my viewers. I highly recommend this knife to my viewers. The price is good, and so is the quality of the knife. You get what you pay for, a pretty decent knife out of this. You know, in conclusion, would I buy this knife again? Yes, I would. I'm actually thinking about buying another one for my kids, and possibly for a gift for somebody. But you know, it seems to be a really well thought out blade, and I recommend it. This is Ksor. Thank you for viewing this review video. I welcome your comments, but I ask that you keep the conversation civilized. I hope you enjoyed this review video, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel. I hope you have a good day. We'll see you later. Hi, this is Ksor, and this is the final test demonstration of the Coleman camp knife. I've got some materials here that I believe is a good representation of what this knife will be cutting out in the field. I got some paper here, got some cardboard, got some rope, got some wood. I just wanted to show everybody here what this knife can do. Start off with the paper. Really good job. There goes cardboard. Sorry about that. It's got a little bit of tape right there. That's why it's clingy. There's a rope. As you see, it goes right through it. No big deal. And the wood. Take off a couple shavings here for you. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's doing really good. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to show you what this thing's capable of. I mean, I'm sure it's capable of more than that. But for right now, that's just a test demonstration. I'm hoping that I will get some field testing in on other knives very soon. It's just I haven't had much time to do any type of actual filming out in while I'm doing the field testing, so you just have to bear with me on that.